Failed with major repairs. Technical repair report for bidding. Restoration with permit by a fully licensed vendor. Engineer oversight. 3 site visits. Certification with owner liability in lieu of a load test. Load test still may be required by the AHJ.
Okay, this is Fire Escape Engineers, and we have a front stoop here. 6 steps, and then there are steps underneath, and the railings need rust. Yeah, the railings need rust. The railings need painting because of rust, and then we have this down flight into the basement level, and okay, let's go over the components. We've got hollow rail, 2-inch. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hollow rails that make up the railing. Definitely needs paint. There's evidence of some rust jacking, and it's cast concrete. It looks like they cast the concrete with some brownstone dye. And we have these different connections here. It's firm. This is the connection here. This one. These all are starting to bubble underneath. You can't see it maybe, but let me see if I can get that. Yeah, you can see starting to peel. You need an EPA renovator's license for this. This is a let me just get this, sorry. You have kind of a strange connection here, and you have this kind of weird peg that goes in, and then it's welded, so these don't actually penetrate into the concrete. There's a peg, and then there's a steel peg, and it's welded into the steel peg. And you just come down here. Okay, this is a little different configuration. We've got 3 tubes. The tubes are hollow metal, and the railing is hollow metal. Normally you'd have 2 rails. We only have 1. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 treads. Have a little spalling on the side. This is just cast in place concrete down here. We have that other strange arrangement with a peg, and then the hollow metal is welded to that. And you can see all this needs painting. There's extensive painting, and then let's just see. We do have some spalling and some separation here. You can see. You can see some rebar there. So this needs a little patching. You do have this light, an exit light, and the rest of it's not too bad. It's just right here. It needs some patching. Right along here, which is the slab that goes into the entranceway. This is the bottom of it. Okay. This is pre-existing non-conforming. You need an EPA renovator's license for the paint. Must be structurally sound and painted. And this concludes the inspector's summary video. Fire Escape Engineers.
Load test still may be required by the AHJ. Failed with major repairs. Technical repair report for bidding. Restoration with permit by a fully licensed vendor. Engineer oversight. 3 site visits. Certification with owner liability in lieu of a load test. Fire escape issues. Photos represent what the violations are, not where they are or how many exist. Pass-fail inspection, not technical repair report.